Got some pretty good chips here for fuel. I'm gonna add some to this delivery system. See the centerpiece coming up. Where there's a little resistance in it, it'll start to spin and level it all off. This is a chip fire or a sawdust fire. Wood burner that we've got. This piece here is patent pending, the delivery system for the chips. It's drilling a hole in there rather than try to shove them down. And then the swiper part in the middle is pushing everything to the center where it'll just drop down the hole. It's going down in here. Drop it straight down. You can see there's a good flame going. And this charge tube goes down there, and you set the height that works good for you, and it will only go up to fill up to the tube, and then it will stop. And then these chips will back up, and even if this keeps running, it can keep running and it won't hurt a thing. No more chips will fall in until the ones in the firebox have been burned up.